In this video, I will show you how to add AliExpress products to Ecwid. So you can do this completely for free in the free plan. So to do this, go and open up Ecwid, then in the bottom here, click apps and go to the app market. From here, you want to go and click on dropshipping, and there is one app that you can use completely for free, which is the sub dropshipping app. So click on it, and then here go and click on install. I already have it installed, so therefore for me it says open, but if you don't have it installed yet, just go and click on install. Now on top of importing the products, it will also fulfill your orders. So that's really helpful. Now if you are using a paid subscription of Ecwid, then you will also be able to download some of these other apps that may be better. For example, Spocket, you can go and download. This is a really well-known one. You can also try Syncy, which is really good. So if you are paying for an Ecwid subscription already, I would go with Spocket or Syncy. Otherwise, just get the sub dropshipping app. So after downloading the sub dropshipping app, go and create your account. It's free to do and it will only take a few minutes. And then after you do that, you will get to your sub dropshipping dashboard. Now from here, what you want to go and do is here click on the find product dropdown, then here click on imported products. And now here you can enter a URL to an AliExpress product. So let's find a product. So for example, if I'd like to add this hamster house to my store, then I can go and copy the product link. Then go to sub dropshipping and paste in that link right here. Then click on import product. Now you will see it says acquisition successful, which means it has been imported. Now from here, go and click on check details, see if everything is alright. And you will see the title, the variants right here, the description, and you can check the images. Now if everything is alright, then you can click on list it to store, and from there we can actually go and change the price. But let's go and click list it to store right now. Now you need to agree to the terms and policy right here and then click confirm. So before we can import it, we need to go to the stores here and then click on Ecwid. Then here click on authorize. That will take you to Ecwid. So make sure that you already have a tab open where you're signed into your account, so then it will just sign you in automatically. Then if you click go to dashboard, you will now see that my online store is connected. So now we can go back to the find product here and then click imported products, and then here click on list it to store. Then in the top left, select your Ecwid store, make sure all of this is correct. Now you will see the shipping fees right here are pretty high. So you can also choose different shipping methods to see if there's a cheaper one. For example, this one right here is even more expensive, so I wouldn't use that one, but I'll just find one that is a bit cheaper. So actually it already picked the cheapest one, so I'll just keep this one then. And you will also see the inventory. Now you can see this one has inventory 0, so I'm just not going to import that one altogether. And now here you can just go and click on list it now. And now before we can list it right here, just enter the selling price. For example, I will say I am going to sell this for $7.99 each. So after entering that, go and click on list it now. Now it says, please wait as this may take a few minutes, but you will see it's already been listed. So it says listed successfully. Now you can click view it on store. And now you will see on my Ecwid store right here, the store is closed right now, but if I head into my Ecwid control panel and from here go to my catalog and click products, you will now see that I have the product right here. So it has imported the description, the name, the stock keeping unit, the weight, the shipping has been set up, as you can see right here. The weight is right here, and you will be using your store's shipping methods. So everything is now done. But now in sub dropshipping, you will be able to see your orders right here. So if you click store orders right here, you can then also go and fulfill the orders if you want to do that from here. So now you know how to add AliExpress products to Ecwid. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next